What's up, folks? This is your Global Pinoy channel giving you tips, tricks, and vlogs. But honestly, I have no idea what my channel is all about. But today, I would like to share with you my insights about these two videos that you've seen earlier that made million views here on YouTube. And you'll be surprised that these videos are under 3 minutes. One of them only took just a few seconds, but here are my thoughts that these videos hit the 3 key ingredients to what a successful video is all about. This is my buddy right here. He's staring at me. He likes me. Here are the following ingredients to what a successful video and why they go viral. Number 1, clickable, which of course has something to do with the thumbnail. If you notice the thumbnail of video number 1, which is entitled Pika Mercury, by the name itself, you can already tell the content of what this video is all about. It's of course a Pika doing a lip sync of the famous Queen's lead singer, Freddie Mercury, and the thumbnail is a simple representation of the title. While video number 2, entitled Whale, jumps out of nowhere. Again, the title itself is a simple, non-confusing one, and this is one of our mistakes as a beginner in this industry. And I am guilty at that sometimes. Maybe I would say most of the times that I make confusing titles. The thumbnail in this video is a stunning representation of the video, which summarizes the whole story. So key point on number 1 tip is that thumbnail and title should summarize your story or your whole video. Number 2, entertaining. At the very first second of the video, Pika Mercury, you will be surprised that a Pika is doing an amazing lip sync of the Queen's lead singer, so it will already hook you into watching the whole video. While the second video, Whale Jumps Out of Nowhere, will trigger your curiosity in waiting to when the whale is going to jump. So in conclusion, to make your video entertaining to watch, there should be an element of surprise, or it should have at least a suspense. So remember that the first few seconds of your video is a make or break for people to watch it. Tip number 3. Oh, actually this is not a tip but a sort of a trivia, or I guess the concluding part, that we as a creator, we should assess our videos and focus in these key ingredients. If we do, people will love our videos and probably will share it. If they do, then that's more views, more people will see, and eventually will get viral. And you know what happens when it does, right? And that's all, folks. Hope you learned something today, but before I leave, I would like to invite you to this new online business that I am venturing. If you are interested, please click the link below. It's at jdmmarketingonline.com. Register for your free trainings and webinars as you start this global online business. Hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you on my next video. That's all, folks. I really love apples. You want some?